Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, Ramdan Siddiq. Previously, I explained a little about software and operating system. Is there anything you still don't understand? You can leave a comment below. Okay. Okay. Since I've already explained about software in the previous videos, it wouldn't be complete if we didn't discuss the hardware side of things. Okay. Now I want to explain about hardware. Nah, hardware is a physical equipment of a computer system. Hardware refers to all components of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. In other words, hardware is a component that has a tangible form. According to expert James O'Brien, hardware refers to all physical component of or equipment used in information processing, such as the CPU, RAM, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, scanner, and so on. Okay, the next is category of hardware. Regarding the category of hardware, can be divided into two categories. One input device and second is output device. An input device is a computer device that is used to input data into computer system. And for output device output is hardware used to display or present the result of data processing from a computer to user, such as monitor, printer, and speakers. Input device can be divided into some categories. Text input device, pointing device, gaming device, image video input device, audio input device. For example for text input device is a keyboard, a device to input text and character by depressing buttons, similar to a typewriter. The second is pointing device. An example is a mouse. A mouse is pointing device can use a function by leading to dimensional motion relative to its pointing surface. The third one is gaming device. For example, a joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of a handled stick that pivot around one end to detect angle and to a three dimension. Next is image and video input device. For example, of an image device in image scanner, and for example, video input device is a webcam, like around. Okay, the last one is audio input device. For example, you can use microphone from microphone. Okay, so the next is output device. Output device can be divided into some categories: image video output device and audio output device. For example, image video output device is printer. In computing, a printer is a peripheral which product hard copy of documents stored in an electronic form, usually on physical print media such as paper of transparencies. The second is audio output device. Audio output device, for example, in speaker and headphone. Okay. The next is how it works of hardware. Divide the hardware. Hardware works sequentially. First, the user provide input through device such as a keyboard or mouse. The input is then processed by the CPU, while RAM stores temporary data to speed up to the process. The processing results are displayed through output device such as monitor. If the user chooses to save the data, the monitor The information is transferred to storage such as SSD and HDD. Okay. Uh, okay, that's all about hardware. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. To conclude this video, I would like to express my gratitude and apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.